I think by now, most of us are already done with the trial. It's been 6 long weeks of trial. But Amber Heard and her team are not yet ready to accept the verdict against them. This is why even Chief Judge Askira can't help but express how peeved she is by the way Heard's team is still acting up. It even got to the point where the judge must stop Elaine from her unreasonable demands. And it's just so funny to hear the judge basically call out Elaine whenever she speaks more nonsense. We can totally understand where the judge is coming from, since from the way Elaine and Amber continue to complain about the verdict, anyone would be annoyed as well. So, what do you think Judge Askira said to Elaine, and how will this affect the result of their appeal? Let's find out. We all know that the two parties met one last time in order to finalize the appeal. Of course, Johnny Depp's team is ready to complete the formality of their win and turn the page to the next chapter. Amber and Elaine, however, have a different plan in mind. In particular, Elaine keeps on suggesting that they still need more trial dates in order to settle some issues about the verdict and the appeal they are planning to file. However, Judge Askira is so over the case and rejects Elaine's request right then and there. A court respondent who was live tweeting the happenings from inside the court revealed how the judge reacted. And from the looks of it, she just wanted to get the verdict final and walk away from it. When Amber's lawyer asked for more trial dates, the judge answered in the negative. The court reported tweeted and said, "We don't do that," and mentioned that Elaine has been practicing there for 20 years. Elaine wanted to schedule hearings. Judge Askira said, "I've had this case for 18 months and we had a 6-week trial. We don't need a hearing." Elaine said, "Your Honor can decide on the papers." To which the judge responded with a firm absolutely. Another highlight reaction was when Elaine tried to get on the judge's good side by wishing her a wonderful vacation. While there's nothing wrong with wishing someone a good break, it just doesn't add up when it's Elaine, especially after she just complained about the verdict a few minutes before. Another court report from Cupcake Mag shared how the interaction went in an IG story. In the story, it said that the judge literally rolled her eyes at Elaine and answered with a brief okay. She doesn't sound very impressed, right? It seems like Askira can't help but be savage, especially after Elaine went around TV shows.
And that came out November 2, 2020. We weren't allowed to tell the jury that.
Well, it's a different system, and the judge, it wasn't a jury, it was a judge. The judge said it was substantially true, and that is significant, and I think surprised a lot of legal analysts.
Accused them of favoring Johnny because of what they saw on social media. This is definitely karma clapping back at Elaine. How about you? Do you think the judge knew about Elaine and Amber's petty tricks? Will this affect their appeal? Let us know in the comments below.